Let me see a triangular plan lamina of side 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its corner touching, such that the side opposite to the corner on which it rests is 15 mm above HP and makes an angle of 30° to VP. Draw the top and front view of this. Determine the inclination of the lamina to the reference plane. Okay, now well, starting we have to draw the XY line with the 0.13 mm thickness and draw X and Y VP HP. Okay, then we will draw the triangular plan lamina of 25 mm side. So 25 0, 25 120, 25 240. That's if it is over. Then it we have to keep the triangle on HP with one of its corner. So first make it a group, select all the entities, make it as a group and rotate the group and keep one of its corner on the left side. We can rotate it and keep the corner. Okay, just move this and keep it. Name ABC, select line 0.13 mm thickness. We have to draw the front view of it. So projector lines we have to draw from A and from C, BC, that is the edge. Then draw the front view of this with the line command. Select and keep it as 0.5 mm thickness. Text A dash, B dash and C dash in bracket C dash. Now next one is the corner, that is the side opposite to the corner on which it rests is 15 mm above HP. So we have to make a line above HP by using offset command. Now keep a point and we have to make an arc. Okay, there is arc for the distance which is given in the front view, which is coming in the front view. That distance we have to make an arc and we have to cut on the locus line or the line 15 mm above HP what we have done. So take the radius 21.65 and make an arc. By using trim option you can cut it as a trim. Unwanted portion I removed. Then for the same 21.65 with the center point, join that one and make it as a 0.5 mm thickness. Now we mention the names A dash, B dash in bracket C dash, and check the angle. We can see what is the angle because we have to find out the angle. And moreover we can draw the projector lines from the front view, and from here A to A where it meets, and B to B, C to C dash. Okay. Join the points A, B, C. Text the corners A dash, A, B, C. Group the entities and make it as a 0.5 mm thickness. Now next is the surface makes the opposite corner or opposite edge, which is opposed to the resting corner, makes an angle 30° with VP. So we have to move this and rotate the edge which is opposite to the resting corner. This is the edge. Rotate for an angle minus 30° since it is less below to the reference line. So we are giving like that, and now remove this old one. You can check the angle of it with the reference line, that is 30°. Mention the corner A, B and C. Draw the projector lines. The angle over the HP with the reference line, as actually it should be, we have to identify the inclination of the lamina as per the question. So we have to find out the inclination of the lamina with reference to the XY line. If you are not able to see, you can zoom it and we can make it. That is a 44°. Now the projector lines. A to A dash, C to C dash where it meets, and B to B dash line. So we can use trim option and remove unwanted lines. Now these are all the points where we can join the points A, B and C dash C. Okay, we have to mention the names for that, and first make it as a group. Select 0.5 mm thickness for it. Yes. Mention the names of the corner CA dash, B dash, C dash. Keep it in a portion. So unwanted portions we have to remove with the trim option, and the dimensions whatever wherever it is needed we have to keep. Now the problem is solved.